A lot of people asking what comes in a sanding system kit. So right now I'm going to walk through our most popular kit, and this one happens to be in a toolbox. Just FYI, the toolbox is not included, but the Thanos Sustainer is really nice for keeping everything together. So when I open it up, the first thing you're going to see is all of our paperwork. We've got samples of paper. We have our kit contents. And I'll show you what it looks like. It has every item that comes in the kit. It has our tool recalibration steps. You could find videos of that online. And then it has our warranty card as well. And then I'll just show you the samples. So we want you guys trying our paper too. Then take a look inside of the kit. We've got our foam variety pack. Here's our 5mm foam, here's our 1/2-inch foam, and here's our 10mm foam. This is a 3x4 sander, and it's with central vacuum. This has the 4 holes for dust collection, the dust collection setup, and then our film variety pack too. 80 grit through 320 grit. It's a nice starter pack. We have our interface pad, our pad saver, and then this right here, these are little hooks to hook your 12-foot sander cord to whatever vacuum hose that you've got. So that's a little look. If you guys have any questions, let us know.